In this video, we will going to discuss about post-1857 peasants and socio-religious movements. So here we will discuss only key points of the movements. First is nature of post-1857 peasant revolt. Localized and disjointed. So it has a limited reach, often along caste religion lines. New modes utilized legal avenues, courts, petition, more. Middle class support. Educated intelligentsia linked local to national struggle. Targeted enemies. Planters, jamidars, moneylenders, not direct colonialism initially. Tribal unrest. Continued millennialism. Resisted forest laws, missionary influence, increased political awareness. Second is early peasant movement, 1859 to 1900. Indigo revolt, 1859 to 60. Location, Nadia, Bengal. Causes, forced indigo cultivation, Nij, Rioti. Soil depletion, plant exploitation, planter exploitation. And leadership, Digambar Viswas and Vishnu Viswas, supported by Neil Darpan, Deen Bandhu Mitra. Hindu Patriot by S.C. Mukherjee. Outcome of this movement was Indigo Act 1862 protected rights, cultivation shifted to Bihar. Significance, militant unity, Hindu-Muslim solidarity, precursor to Champaran. Pavna Agrarian League, 1870s to 1885. Location, Pavna, East Bengal. Causes, Jamidar operation, enhanced rents, evictions, denial of occupancy rights. Course, legal resistance, Hindu-Muslim solidarity. Outcome, Bengal Tenancy Act 1885. Strengthened tenant rights. Deccan rights 1874 to 75. Location, Ahmednagar, Sholapur, Satara, Maharashtra. Causes, heavy Rayatwadi taxation, 50% hike 1867. Moneylender exploitation, cotton price crash. Course, social boycott, riot bond, debt bonds. What was the outcome? Deccan Agriculturist Relief Act was formed, but in 1879 was passed. Significance, highlighted rural distress, early nationalist support. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. That is later peasant movement, 20th century. Influence of nationalism linked with Congress, freedom struggle, Gandhi. Emergence of All India Kisan Sabha, AIKS. Next is Kisan Sabha movement, UP, 1918 to 20. Causes, high rents, evictions, Bedakhli, illegal levies, Nazrana by Talukdas. Leadership, Gauri Shankar Misra, Baba Ramchand, supported M. Malviya. Outcome, Awadh Rent Amendment Act. Partial relief, Ika movement, UP, 1921 to 22. Location was Hardoi, Bahraich, Sitapur. Causes, high rents and Tikadar operation. Leadership, Madari Pasi, low caste. Bardoli Satyagrah, Gujarat, 1926 to 28. Causes, arbitrary 30% revenue hike. Leadership, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar. Course was non-violence resistance. Revenue hike reduced to 6.03%. Significance, model for non-violence resistance, strengthen Congress rural base. Tebhaga movement, North Bengal, 1946 to 47. Causes, demand for 2/3 crops share for Bargadars, also called as sharecroppers. Leadership Bengal Provincial Kisan Sabha, communist cadres. Significance highlighted sharecropper right linked to communist ideology. Tevaga is related to communist ideology. Telangana movement, Hyderabad, 1946 to 48. Causes: feudal exploitation, Vethi, illegal exactions, Nizam's Razakars, Urdu elite operation, leadership communist guerrillas, courts largest peasant guerrilla war, declined after Operation Polo, 1948. Outcome: abolish Vethi, restored lands, added Andhra Pradesh formation, provincial peasant activity post, 1920s to 1930s. Kerala Karshak Sangha, Compend for Malabar Tenancy Act Amendment 1938. Andhra Anti-Zamidas Movement, NG Ranga India's Peasant Institute 1933. Bihar Sadanand Saraswati, Anti-Zamidaris campaign, conflict with Congress government. Punjab mobilized by Nozwam Bharat Sabha, Kirti Kisan Party, Congress, Akalis targeted landlords in Unionist Ministry, Revenue, water rate hikes. Socio-Religious reform movement. Context: British rule, Western ideas, rise of educated middle class, Orientalist studies, ideological base, rationalism, universalism, and humanism. Characteristics: reform is not revolutionary, urban centric, education driven, focused on women's child right, face, individual 1820s to 1880s, national 1880s, nationalist linked early 20th century, Gandhian era. Key movements, personalities: Brahma Sabaj 1828, Rajaram Mohan Rai, monotheism, anti-idolatry, women's right, education, widow remarriage, Young Bengal 1820s to 1830s, Henry Vivian Derizio, rationalism, free thought, Ishwar Singh Vidyasagar, advocate for Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856, promoted women's education, Vathana School. Ramakrishna Mission 1897, Swami Vivekanand, in honor of Ramakrishna Paramhans, Vedanta, social service. Service to humanity is service to God. Chicago speech 1893. So here ending the video. We will meet in next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask.